Hi students, welcome back to maths class. Previous class we discussed that how we can factorize a quadratic polynomial. Now we are discussing how we can factorize a cubic polynomial. You already know that quadratic polynomial means two factors you will get. Cubic polynomial means three factors will be there. That how we can just look. First question, factorize x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. This is the polynomial. Here highest power is equal to 3. Therefore it is a cubic polynomial. Next we are going to factorize this. You will get three factors. Then first we can write p of x is equal to x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Then just look the last constant number. What is the constant number here? 2. What will be the factors of 2? 2 means we can write in the way of 1 into 2. This is the only possible way. Therefore, factors of 2 is equal to 1, comma 2. 1 and 2 are the factors of 2. That is possible. Plus 1 into plus 1 into plus 2 you will get 2. Minus 1 into minus 2 also you are getting 2. Therefore, the possible factors of 2 are, then factors of 2 are, you can take plus 1, minus 1, plus 2 and minus 2. These are the possible factors of 2. Then first we can find out the value of p of 1 because the first factor you have written is 1. Then p of 1 means in the place of x you want to give 1. Therefore that will be 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square minus 1 plus 2. That is 1 cube means 1 itself. 1 square means 1 itself. Minus 2 into 1 means minus 2. Minus 1 plus 2. Just look here the values. Plus 1 and minus 1 we can cut. Minus 2 and plus 2 also we can cancel. Therefore you got 0. Then you got p of 1 is equal to 0. That means p of 1 is equal to 0. That means x minus 1 is a factor. Just revise that revise the factor theorem also. We already studied that if p of x is equal to 0, p of 1 is equal to 0, therefore x minus 1 is a factor. We studied that p of a, if p of a equal to 0, x minus a is a factor. Like that you got p of 1 is equal to 0, therefore opposite sign 1, so opposite will be x minus 1 is a factor. Then now you got one factor. Next we can find the value of, next number is minus 1. You can find the value of p of minus 1. Then in the place of 1 you can give minus 1. Minus 1 whole cube minus 2 into minus 1 whole square minus minus 1 plus 2. Then minus 1 whole cube means in negative number is there, its power is an odd number, therefore the number will be negative. Therefore minus 1. This minus 1 whole square means this 2 is an even number, therefore minus 1 into minus 1 it will become a positive number. Minus 2 into 1 means minus 2. This minus of minus 1 means it will be plus 1. This will be plus 2. Then this minus 2 and plus 2 we can cancel. This minus 1 and plus 1 also we can cancel. Therefore you got 0. That means p of minus 1 equal to 0 means here minus 1 you got. Therefore x plus 1 is a factor. Now you got two factors. Then one more factor will be there. For that we can give p of 2. Then it will be 2 cube minus 2 into 2 square minus 2 plus 2. You know that 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2, that will be 8. Here 2 square means 4, 4 into 2 minus 8 minus 2 plus 2. Here also plus 8 and minus 8 we can cancel. Minus 2 and plus 2 also. Therefore you got 0. Then p of 2 equal to 0 means x minus 2 is a factor. X minus 2 is a factor. Now you got three factors. Which are the factors? X minus 1, x plus 1 and x minus 2. Then one more factor also, factors of 2 you got minus 2, because you already got the 3 factors here. No need of checking p of minus 2. Thus, these are the 3 factors of this polynomial. Is it okay? Then I will show one more method for finding the factors. Just listen here. P of x is equal to, then first we can find out one factor, P of 1. Now you already got 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square minus 1 plus 2. That is 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 2. Minus 2 and plus 2, 1 and minus 1, you got 0. Therefore, x minus 1 is a factor. This is one more method I am showing. Previous method also you can use. If which one you can feel easy, that you can follow. Then in this method, you got x minus 1 is a factor. One factor you got. After that, divide this cubic polynomial by this x minus 1. Just listen here. X cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Divide by this one factor you already got, that is x minus 1. You already knows how we can divide. Take the first term of the dividend and first term of the divisor. That is x cube minus x. Then 1x we can cut. Therefore, x square you got. That will be the quotient of the, that will be the first term of the quotient. You got x square. Then using this x square you want to multiply these two terms. X square into x means x cube. X square into minus 1 means minus x square. Then you already knows that after division you want to do the subtraction. X cube minus x cube means it will be 0. One more minus will be, we are putting, that will become plus. Minus of minus means it will become plus. Minus 2x square plus x square means minus x square. Next we can write down minus x also. Then this is the next first term, and here already x itself. Then minus x square by x. We can cut one more x, that will be minus x. That will be the second term of the quotient, that is equal to minus x. Then using this minus x you want to multiply these two terms. Minus x into x means minus x square. Minus x into minus 1 means plus x. Again division over, then again subtraction. One more minus sign, this will become plus x square. Minus x square plus x square means this will become 0. Here one more minus will come. Minus and plus together coming means that will become minus sign. Then minus x means minus 2x. Here minus x means minus 1x. Here also minus 1x. Then minus 1 means minus 2x. Then write down the next number 2. Then again the first term will be minus 2x. Then minus 2x by x. Then we can cancel this. That will be minus 2. Then multiply this. Minus 2 into x means minus 2x. Minus 2 into minus 1 means plus 2. Then again subtraction sign coming. This will become plus. And here one more minus. This become negative. Then minus 2x plus 2x means 0. 2 minus 2 means that also become 0. You got the remainder 0. Then just look the quotient here. What is the quotient here? X square minus x minus 2. Now you got a quadratic polynomial. Just look, what is the highest power here? 2. Therefore this become a quadratic polynomial. Now you already studied that how we can factorize a quadratic polynomial by splitting the middle method. Then by splitting this, you will get another 2 factors. You already knows that quadratic polynomial will have 2 factors. Then how you want to let the coefficient of x square here, that is 1, and last number is constant number is minus 2. 1 into minus 2 means you are getting minus 2. Then you want to select two numbers. Multiplying you want to get minus 2. Adding you want to look this middle number's coefficient. What is the middle number here? Middle term is minus x. Therefore its coefficient will be minus 1. Therefore adding you want to get minus 1. Then you want to choose two numbers. Multiplying you want to get minus 2. Adding you want to get minus 1. What will be the two numbers? That is minus 2 into 1 you are getting minus 2. Minus 2 plus 1 is equal to minus 1. Therefore, which are the numbers? Minus 2 comma 1 are the numbers. And using these two numbers, we are going to split this middle term. Then how we can write this as minus 2x and plus 1x. Just I am splitting this middle term. Then x square minus 2x plus x minus 2. From these two terms, which term we can take outside? X. X. Then remaining here will be one more x. Here minus 2. Here just look. No number we can take outside. Therefore, that time what we can take? 1 we can take us outside. Therefore, here will be x minus 2. Again, you got these two terms are the same. And x plus 1 is the remaining terms. Therefore, which are the factors? X minus 2 and x plus 1 are the other factors. Now you got two factors. First we already find out x minus 1 is a factor. Therefore, altogether you will get now the three factors. What are those? X minus 1. First you got. Now after factorizing this quadratic polynomial, you also got two factors. That is x minus 2 and x plus 1. Now you got these are the three factors. In the previous method also you got the same. Out of this, any one method you can follow. I will show one more question like that. Just look. Factorize x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. Just look. Here the constant number is 5. Then what will be the factors of every time? We can look the constant number. Factors of 5. Factors of 5. That is possible as 1 and 1 into 5. That only the possible factors of 5. Then you can give here plus or minus, here plus or minus. Then which are the numbers? Plus 1, minus 1, plus 5 and minus 1, minus 5 will be the factors. Then first we can look the 1, p of 1. First you can write p of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. Then we can find the value of p of 1. P of 1 is equal to 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square minus 9 into 1 minus 5. Then 1 cube minus 1 cube means 1 minus 3 minus 1 minus 9 minus 5. Just look here 1. All these are the negative means minus 3 minus 9 means minus 12. Minus 12 minus 5 minus 17. Minus 17 you are getting minus 16 not equal to 0. Therefore, p of 1 that is x minus 1 is not a factor. Then we can look p of minus 1. P of minus 1. Just look minus 1 whole cube minus 3 into minus 1 whole square minus 9 into minus 1 minus 5. So minus 1 coming the power is an odd number, therefore this will be the minus itself. Therefore minus, this will become plus 1. Plus 1 into minus 3 means minus 3. Minus 9 into minus 1 means plus 9 and minus 5. Then 3 negative numbers are there that we can add and give the negative sign. Minus 1 minus 3 means minus 4. Minus 4 minus 5 means you will get these 3. That will be minus 9 plus 9 you got 0. Therefore x plus 1 is a factor. You got x plus 1 is a factor. Now if you want, you can just look p of plus y over p of minus y, like that you can check. Now I am doing the second method. Now we can divide this polynomial by x plus 1. Just look that division. X cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5 divided by, what is the factor? Minus 1 you got 0. Therefore x plus 1 will be the factor we want to divide by x plus 1. Then first you know that x cube by x, you will get x square. Then x square into x plus 1 means x cube plus x square. Then you want to subtract this. Minus plus means it will become minus itself, this 0. Minus 3 minus means minus 4x square. Next number will be minus 9x. Next minus 4x square by x means minus 4x. Then minus 4x into x means minus 4x square. Minus 4x into 1 means minus 4x. Again one more sign, this will become plus. This minus of minus will become plus. This 0. Minus 9x plus 4x means minus 0. Then minus 9x. Here 2 minus coming, this will become plus 4x. Minus 9x plus 4x means that will be minus 5x. Next number will be minus 5. That also you want to write down. Then here the first term will be minus 5x. Here x, 5x minus 5x by x means that will be minus 5. Then using this minus 5 we want to multiply these two. Minus 5 into x minus 5x. Minus 5 into plus 1, that also will be minus 5. Then again after division you know that subtraction will come. 1 more minus I am putting here also. This will become plus. This also plus 5. Therefore the remainder you got 0. Now look the quotient of this division. What you got? X square minus 4x minus 5 will be the quotient. That is, it is a quadratic polynomial. Now we are going to split this quadratic polynomial by splitting the middle term. We are going to factorize this polynomial by splitting the middle method. For this, what is the coefficient here? 1. 1 into minus 5 means minus 5 itself. That is, multiplying you want to get minus 5. Adding you want to look the coefficient of the middle term, that is minus 4. Adding you want to get minus 4. Multiplying you want to get minus 5. What will be the two numbers? Just look. Minus 5 into 1. You are getting minus 5. Minus 5 plus 1, that you are getting minus 4. Therefore, the numbers are minus 5 and 1. Here the variable is x. Therefore, we can write as minus 5x, 1x will be the numbers. Using that, we can split this middle term minus 4x. Therefore, x square plus 1x minus 5x minus 5. Then these two we can take one number. X we can take outside. Therefore, you will get x plus 1. Here minus 5 you can take. Therefore, there also you are getting x plus 1. X plus 1 is common. That you can write. The remaining will be x minus 5. Now you got two factors. Because it is a quadratic polynomial, you got two factors. We already find out one factor here, x plus 1. Therefore, the factors are x plus 1, x minus 5 and x plus 1. Here x plus 1 is repeating factor. Therefore, this will be the three factors of this polynomial. X cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. Watch this video clearly and you can go through this factorization of the cubic polynomial. Okay dear students, today's class I am winding up. Thank you.